Have you tried using your face care routine on your body? You've not, right? That's the code. Use your face care routine on your body. It is going to clear your mosquito bites off your body. Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today in today's video we are going to be talking about how you can clear mosquito marks from your skin. If you know you have mosquito bite marks on your skin, you have dark spots on your skin, in today's video I'll be sharing with you a proven, tested and trusted routine that is going to help get rid of that. Is going to really get rid of any dark spots, any mosquito bite spots you have on your body in no time. All right, so without further ado, let's get this video started. For this routine we are focusing solely on just body products. We are going to be using our face care products on our skin, places where we have dark spots, places where we have mosquito bites. I'm not talking about using it all over your body. This is going to be a spot treatment routine. Those products you use on your face to fight dark marks, black spots, hyperpigmentations, those are the products you are going to be using as well in this video for your body. And as well, I bring you the budget friendly and yet quality product that is going to get the job done for you. All right, so please, if anything I say in this video, if any budget I mention in this video, or if products that I have recommended in this video do not suit well with your budget, please do well to just walk and pass, and do not try to talk rubbish in my comment section. All right, so I will leave everything as I'm saying them. I'll be leaving them on the screen, so get ready to screenshot and write them out, so when you go to the market and get the product, or if that's already what you have already, you can substitute with what you have. All right, it must not be everything, but if you can get everything, that's good. So normally you have your body wash, you have your body lotion, you have your body oils, all right, and definitely you don't have a body scrub, because a lot of you don't scrub your skin, and your soaps is not even exfoliating, so you have absolutely nothing that exfoliates your skin in your routine. Reason why you are still battling with that dull looking skin, go and watch my previous video on how you can achieve a radiant, beautiful skin. Go now, so you have that beautiful skin. So back to what we are saying, the only addition to your body care product now is your serum, your face serum and your treatment creams. Those are the two things that we added to your normal body care routine, with sunscreen, because a lot of you don't use sunscreen on your skin. But sis, if you want to treat that dark spots, if you want to treat that mosquito bite to go in no time, you need to incorporate skincare on your skin, like the skin on your body. I'm not talking about the face, the skin on your body. Use sunscreen on it. So I have a Sunday to Monday routine here that is going to help you with all of that. So on Sunday morning, when you are done from the shower, you will please apply your vitamin C serum on those areas of your body where you have dark spots or knuckles. Apply your vitamin C serum there. And when I talk about vitamin C serum, please, I am not talking about Dr. Rachel, I'm not talking about Permi, I'm not talking about Roshun, I'm not mentioning them. That's not what I'm talking about. Please find a vitamin C serum that contains L-ascorbic acid in it. That is the most potent form of vitamin C, and that is the only vitamin C that is going to work on your dark spots. If you use those ones, it is going to take you ages, if it will clear it eventually, but it's going to take you ages before it will clear your dark mark. So if you want to see a vitamin C that clears dark mark, get a very potent vitamin C, a vitamin C serum that contains L-ascorbic acid in it. That is the vitamin C I mean. Anytime you hear me say vitamin C, I mean the one that contains L-ascorbic acid with other blend of ingredients or other blend of vitamin C. All right, so on Sunday morning, you are going to be using your vitamin C serum on your body, just the same way you go after taking your shower, after washing your face, you tone, after toning your serum. So after washing your body, after taking your bath, you don't tone now, you use your serum. So you just spot, like spot treatment, apply, put it in a cotton wool, okay? Put your vitamin C in a cotton wool and go into places that you have, I'm sure this one is not affecting this video, and go into places where you have dark spots on your skin, apply it there. Then go in with your body lotion and your sunscreen. Don't side not warn you. And On Sunday night, you will be using your good molecules discolorating serum, discoloration serum. I've forgotten the name, but that's what you'll be using at night. When you are done from the shower, you come inside, dry your body, you apply your good molecules discoloration serum. Apply it on those areas you are trying to treat, on those dark spots, on those mosquito bites you want to clear. Apply it on it, then go in with your lotion and your body oil. No sunscreen at night. All right. On Monday morning as well, you are going to be repeating the same routine you used on Sunday morning. Just the same routine with your Sunday morning. That's the same thing you're going to be doing on Monday morning. Then for Monday night is where you get to scrub your skin. That's the only thing you'll be doing on Monday night. Then for Tuesday morning, you use your discoloration serum, your good molecules discoloration serum, and at night, on Tuesday night, you hydrate your skin. Basically just use your normal body wash, your normal body lotion, and your body oil, and then you go to bed. That's basically everything for hydration. Anytime I say hydration, I mean your body lotion, your body oils. Like after shower, you use your body lotion and your body oil. That's basically it for hydration. On Wednesday morning, you use your vitamin C serum. Please, when using your vitamin C serum, apply it on places you have dark spots, and make sure to always go with sunscreen, because vitamin C works so well with sunscreen. All right, so always pair your vitamin C with your sunscreen. It helps it work better. Okay, so on Wednesday night is where you'll be using your Koji sand soap. I have said it a lot of times that if you want to treat hyperpigmentation, dark spots, use a product that contains kojic acid, tranexamic acid, or even glutathione. These ingredients are really good when it comes to tackling hyperpigmentation, dark spots, dark marks, and all of that. So for you to clear that mosquito spots that you have on your body, for you to clear that dark spot you have on your body, this Koji sand soap has proven itself to be really effective. It's a tested and trusted product. Trust me. That is why I always keep recommending it for any dark spots, hyperpigmentation video you see me make for you people. So on Wednesday night is where you get to use your Koji sand soap. After using your Koji sand soap, go in with a nourishing body wash or your Dove Beauty Bar. Just a soap that is going to induce moisture back into your skin. If you have Johnson baby soap, Cushion baby soap, just anything that is basically going to induce moisture back into your skin, because this Koji sand is really drying on the skin. And if you want to use this Koji sand, just apply it on your palms. After applying it on your palms, you then go in with it on your body. Make sure to focus on areas where you have dark marks, anywhere you are struggling with mosquito bite marks. Focus on those areas very well. Apply it there. Let it sit on your skin for just a minute, not more than a minute. If you don't want it to burn your skin, if you don't want it to scratch your skin, if you don't want it to pepper your skin, don't let it sit for more than a minute. But if your skin can tolerate more than a minute, it's fine, you can go. But I would always advise, do not apply directly on your skin, and do not let it sit for more than a minute on your skin. Okay, that way you get to enjoy its benefit to the fullest without experiencing any irritation. So after using your Koji sand at night to take your shower, when you are out from the bathroom, just next thing you have to do is to use your Touch Bright and Clear face cream. Use it to go to places. Apply it on those areas of your skin that you are trying to treat. Okay, apply it on those areas. Make sure you apply it very well and let it absorb into your skin before you then go in with your body lotions and body oils. All right, so on Thursday morning we use good molecule serum as well, and at night we hydrate. Hydration is basically you using your body lotion and your body oils to nourish your skin before going to bed. Then on Friday morning again, you use your vitamin C serum. At night, you use your Koji sand and also your Touch Bright, just the same way you did on Wednesday night. You will repeat the same process on Friday night. All right, your Koji sand in the bathroom, a nourishing body wash, your Touch Bright Clear cream, your body lotion, and your body oil. That's what your routine should look like on Friday night and Wednesday night. Then on Saturday morning again, you go in with your good molecules discoloration serum, and at night you hydrate. Only hydration. So When I said you should spot treats, this is what I mean. I have to stand up and go and get this thing because I don't even plan to stand up. This is my dropper, right? I did not sink this inside my bottle. I did not do it because you can get some particles of this inside this thing and it's going to infect it. You don't want that. Get some products in your dropper. As you can see, I have some products in my dropper, and then I will just apply it on this. Can you see? When I apply it on this, it's going to be much easier. It's going to be much easier for me. I don't have dark knuckles, but let's take for instance I'm treating like dark knuckles. I'll just use this to apply it. Can you see? I'll just use it to apply it on those areas that I have dark knuckles. Okay, just apply it, nothing else. That's how you should apply it. But if you can still go in with your dropper, you can still use your dropper and then just apply it on places you have spots. When you apply it, you massage it through that place. I still have enough in my hand. Then you go to the next spot, apply it, go to the next spot, apply it, and then allow it to absorb into your skin before you go in with the next product. Always let your products absorb into your skin before you go in with the next one. All right. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If there's something you've used so far that works amazingly, or if you have any opinion with any of the products we mentioned, please, honest opinion. We are not in no negative comments, all right? Do well to leave them in the comment section. We are always there to interact with each other, okay? And if you have any question for me, do well to leave it there as well, okay? I'm all ready. Let me know the next video you would love to see from me, and until next time, stay beautiful, stay radiant, stay glowing. I love you. Mwah. Bye.